Hi everyone. Welcome to the November 30 edition of Happenings in Manufacturing and Automation from my Twitter feed. Let's jump right on in. According to the Life Science Leader Team, 6 biomanufacturer executives look to their crystal balls for 2021. Here are some of their expectations: greater supply chain redundancy, greater production flexibility for personalized medicines, increasing streamlined and localized manufacturing processes, greater emphasis on innovating technologies and systems for productivity intensification, additional investment in single-cell genome and expression analytical tools, and there's a whole lot more in the article as well, so check that one out. Okay, big news today. Moderna reports on their coronavirus vaccine. Quote, primary efficacy analysis of the phase 3 COVE study of mRNA 1273 involving 30,000 participants, including 196 cases of COVID-19, of which 30 cases were severe. Vaccine efficacy against COVID-19 was 94.1%, and vaccine efficacy against severe COVID-19 was 100%. They are filing today with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for emergency use authorization. So great news there. Now for something completely different from chemistry world. Moths draped in stealth acoustic cloak evade bat sonar to avoid being on their dinner menu. Their evolved stealth adaptation is the result of an array of scales attached to their wing membranes that absorb ultrasound frequencies emitted by the hunting bats. And these are the first acoustic metamaterials found in nature that anyone have seen. Clever guys, those guys are. Okay, moving along to number 4. For those that keep up with IHS Markit CERAWeek happenings for the energy markets, some big merger news. S&P Global and IHS Markit today announced they have entered into a definitive merger agreement to combine in an all-stock transaction which values IHS Markit at an enterprise value of $44 billion, including $4.8 billion of net debt. So that's pretty exciting there. Okay, moving on to number 5. Here's a depressing story in today's Wall Street Journal if you're in the oil and gas industry or an investor in the industry. The WSJ notes, quote, despite a recent oil rally, and I saw it was over $45 here for West Texas Intermediate, energy companies are riding out a historic downturn. Collectively, they have lost more market value on a percentage basis than any other major sector this year, unquote. But given the wild boom-bust cycles that keep happening, be patient for the next boom. Let's cross our fingers there. Okay, let's go to number 6. Bloomberg's Javier Blas reports that the oil market is rebalancing, but there is still lots of work to do as inventories grew a lot in the April, May, and June timeframe. Floating storage is falling on an aggregate level, as well as on onshore storage terminals. So there's a bit of good news and accounts for the rising prices there. And finally, number 7. Bloomberg notes how airlines face a, quote, mission of the century, unquote, in shipping vaccines since they must balance delicate storage requirements with speed. Airlines will be the workhorses of the attempt to eradicate COVID-19, hauling billions of vials to every corner of the globe. So from here, let's just say go, airlines, go. And I hope everyone has a great week this week. Until next time, let's do it again.